How to download and install Binance app on iPhone. If you're looking to get started with crypto trading and want to download the Binance app on your iPhone, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Binance app. So let's jump right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and simply open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Now in the search bar, simply type on Binance and hit search. You should see the Binance app appear in the search results. Now simply tap the official Binance app from the search result. Make sure it's verified one with the Binance logo so you know it's the real deal. Once you've done that, simply tap on download button. Next to the app, if prompted, simply enter your Apple ID password, or you can also use Face ID or Touch ID to authorize download, and give it a moment while the Binance app downloads and installs. Once it's done, the app will show up on your home screen.